Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So let's get started with Blender new 3D Studio. So first of all, let us try some different kind of interface. So this is your default interface. If you try a new file here, let me do a new. Whatever you do, there are three options. Basically, five type of options. The first one is general to the animation, sculpting, and VFX. So in today's video, I just try to 2D animation because previous video in the live video I will show you how to do a sketchbook. Okay, now so this is the basic interface of Blender 3D. Uh, um, Basically, this is a Blender 3D sketchbook. So here you can do various kind of things, various kind of UI and elements. So let's the first one is here the file render a window a 2D animation 2D full cut. So what is a 2D full curve and animation? The 2D full curve is just a full side of animation. So this is just a sidebar, and the right sidebar is up here. So first one is if you uh, try to remove here your animations. First of all, let's try some basic command. So first command is line, a polyline, a arc, curve, a box, a circle, interpolate. The next one is announce. This is a basic command. First one is let's try with this one. If whenever I try a stroke in the basic stroke, okay, so let's add it now. So let's make some basic design. Just choose one type of circle. That's a circle, and for the first circle is here. It's a basic circle. But suppose what type of the color you want to choose. Basically, I want to choose a color, but let's undo this one. I think this is a very specific kind of power stroke is here. Now, as assume. So let's try some circle. So I will cover a draw, a fill color, erase, draw, fill color, erase, and then stop. Let's draw. If you want to choose a was setting, reverse it, and if you choose some strength of this tutorial and the type of pen. I have a ink pen rotate, a marker, a pen. Let's try a pen. I choose this pen and we're gonna move any kind of this one here, and a radius, strength, whatever strength, cap, a round, flat, round of the just round. Let's try some this one. You see how is the intensity of color now change. Let's undo this one and try to sum this circle. The first circle is here. That's one. Now adjust with a circle. Oh no. Okay. First one is this. circle, this one, and the one. Now try okay. This is a basic drawing sheet. Now try to proving this type of turtle. That's it. Okay. Now raise. I think that's okay. Now a fill color. What this is basic camera, a camera angle. So this is a basic one. The first one is one. Just a power stop. Just this one. A fill a drop. So the main purpose of a video is just the interface. This is drawing, fill, raise, print, cutter, eyedropper. That's in this one. Now to complete this one, this is stock, radius, print, fonts, and that's it. I have to try to add a solid stock and square stock. But I think a solid stock is better. And there's a dot stock. So what is the difference between solid stock, square stock, and dot stock? So dot stock is here, and I've choose a pan. Now it is the line. See the dot stock. They have some dotted line. But if you change square stock, let's see the difference. So you see the line is just a square type, not different. It's a much different the line dotted but a square. Now to a solid stroke line. If I put a line, you see there are some different lines: a solid stroke, a shear stroke, and a solid line. So this is a bit different. I hope you will like this video. In the next video, I will try to make some animation and some other drawing. So this video is just a basic tutorial. This is a tutorial number 1. So don't forget to like a video and subscribe the channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.